Hey guys, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. It's Isabella, and today we are going to be talking about Lyft Express Drive. Okay, there's this new thing that you can do with Lyft called Lyft Express Drive, and if you want to learn more about it and see my review of it and see if it's worth it, be sure to keep watching. Alright, so if you don't know what Lyft Express Drive is, it's like Lyft's car rental option for if you want to drive for Lyft but you don't have a car, you can rent a car through them. So this is how it works. You can go on their website, lyft.com/expressdrive. So you can use cars from their partners at FlexDrive and Hertz, and they're saying it's never been easier to drive with Lyft. So you can find your city and find what's available there. And they're basically saying like, no car, no problem. If you don't have a car and you still want to drive for Lyft and still want to make extra money on the side, then you can rent a car through them. They have flexible pricing plans where you can choose from a selection of affordable pricing plans, all of which include insurance, standard maintenance, and roadside assistance. So there's no long-term contracts. You can get a car on your own terms, earn on your own schedule, and return it anytime after 7 days. So you have to keep it for a minimum of 7 days. They have fuel-efficient, high-quality vehicles. You can choose from the latest models 2018 or newer, including gas-saving hybrids and electric vehicles in select markets. If you go on their website, it'll show you the most modern and fuel-efficient cars available in your area. So for me, it's giving me like different options: hybrid, mid-size, premium electric vehicle, regular electric vehicle. Let's go over the prices of these things. So I'm in California, and these are the prices it's giving me for the area I'm in California. For an electric vehicle, it's saying it could be from $204 to $294 per week. When you give 50 to 90 rides in that week, you can get a hybrid vehicle for $184 a week, mid-size vehicle, just like a sedan, for $164 per week, or an SUV for $274 per week. Let's just do a little bit of math here, guys. All right, let's just say you want a regular mid-size vehicle. This is the cheapest option, $164 per week. In a month, that is going to put you around $656 for the month for your car, but this includes the maintenance, it includes the insurance, and roadside assistance. So this is what I think. You know, obviously you guys can do whatever you choose, but I'm gonna say that I don't think this is very worth it. Okay, $650 a month is quite a bit of money. And when you think about it, like, so this is just for me, like at least for me and my car, I'm paying around $250 a month financing my car, and my insurance is $215 a month. So I'm paying $465 every single month for things involving my car. The maintenance and stuff, I mean, you only need to do that every few months anyways, so you know, even if you added an extra $50 a month for that, it's still gonna be less than getting their cheapest option. So I think if you were really, like, if you really just didn't have a car and you wanted to drive for Lyft, it would be better to just try to finance a car, because then at the end of the day, like, you're working towards paying off your own car that you get to keep. Okay, it's not going to be a rental, you don't have to return it or give it back, and you're not spending as much either. You know, you could really just get a used car that's a little bit older, maybe like 2015, 2016, even like 2017. Get like a $10,000 car, and you could be making payments of around like $200-300 a month. Plus your insurance still gonna be less than that. So I really don't think it's worth it. I mean, let's say you wanted to test out using an electric vehicle or something for rideshare and Lyft, then, you know, maybe you could try doing this, like renting an electric vehicle from them for a week to see how it goes, and then, you know, you can decide if you want to buy one from there. But I really just don't see a point in doing this at all. Also, guys, oh my god, it's not even $164 a week, because it says displayed pricing is not final and it's subject to taxes and fees. So really, it's gonna be even more than that. You're probably gonna end up paying like $700 a month, and that is just not worth it to me. You could literally like rent a room somewhere for $700 a month, so I don't know why you would spend that much on your car. By the way, this is only available in the US. Okay, you can apply through their app. Also, it's not available in all cities around the US. They have a list of cities where it is available, and it's, you know, like Atlanta, Boston, Houston, like a bunch of cities on here, Oxnard. Also, guys, they don't even put this on the main part of the express drive section on their website. Okay, I dug through here and it's saying you also have to pay a refundable security deposit. So you have to put this money up front, and you know, it'd probably be more worth it to just use that upfront money to put a down payment on a car and finance a car, and then you have your own car. And you also have to be at least 25 years old. So I'm not sure if you can only use this car for Lyft or if you can also just use it for personal use. But again, like, it's better to just work on paying off your own car that you get to keep at the end of the day rather than renting from them. But I don't know if you've rented from Lyft and used Lyft Express Drive before and you like it. Let me know your experience down below in the comments, or if you have any other questions. Anyways, if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.